Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix the disk driver is not working in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So first I just show you how can you fix your disk driver. So for that you just need to go on this start icon here at the corner. Now you just need to click on your right click on your mouse and then go on device manager option. It's pretty much easiest step for um, for fix your disk driver if your disk is not working. So here you can see there have an option disk drivers. So click on it and then select this option, and now right click on your mouse and there have an option update driver. So you just need to connect your PC or laptop with Wi-Fi and then update this driver, and after completely update you just need to restart your PC or laptop, and after that the disk driver is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.